Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to animate an image in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Want2Share Filmora and download the official application. When you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but guys, that is not necessary. Now, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically here we have in the top left corner, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. And also we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and animate an image in Filmora. So first of all, what we need actually is an image to have in Filmora. So basically, you can go firstly put a video, then drag and drop that video to the timeline like this. And now we can go and add our image. We can go and I'll be going and putting a sample image now. So drag and drop it as you did with the video. And now what you can do with the image, you can put it here. So it comes after the video. You can do that. So as you can see, or you can go and drop it here on top. So you have it like this, that will be on top of the video. So as you can see, you have those both options. Now we want to manipulate with the image. What we want to do is click on it here, not here, just click it here or select it like this. And here guys, you have a lot of things. You can click effects to go and animate it like that. You can go and put some effects. You can put some transitions. You can put some elements. Everything you can go and drag and drop on top of the image so that you will have that there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.